So I think, for big companies, they're quite lucky because they've got a really rich source of first-party data anyway. And I think, certainly for Telstra, we take our customers' privacy and data incredibly seriously. Our strategy for utilising the data that we have on our customers is really to enhance the customer experience first and foremost. We sort of got a head start 18 months ago and COVID's accelerated things, but we're pretty comfortable where we are with our data strategy and what's to come down the track.
Building data for a business that has a lot of it has been an interesting journey. Having too much data or not really understanding why we want data was probably the first area we started and strip out what is business data and then what is customer data and how do the two work together. And when we went into customer data, we really realized we have a lot of it, but we don't have a functional use for it. And the world was changing. We could see that IDs were replacing cookies.
We're kind of late to the party on the whole digital marketing area. A future without cookies is less impact for us because we never really played with the cookies in the first place. So the opportunity for digital to be able to respond near real time or real time is horizon, in my terminology, horizon 2 for us. Super interesting in terms of meeting customer needs.